So last night I was given this 1989 Toyota pickup. It's got the 3VZE with the A340H transmission transfer case, and it hasn't run in about 3 years. I'm gonna attempt to crank it up today, see if I can get it on a trailer at some point soon. But as you can see, pretty dusty and dirty underneath here. There's cobwebs, but I don't think anybody's chewed on anything, no rodents or anything like that. So we're going to start here and go from there. I'm going to run and get a battery, multimeter, some fuel, see what I can do. Okay, so I've primed it a little bit, got the battery connected. Nothing seems to be shorted. I'm just wanting to see if it'll start now. And she runs terribly. It's the gas that's in it. If I can get that to flow, then maybe she'll actually run. I'll put some 91 with some octane booster in there, so try to get some decent fuel flowing up there. See what she does. And she runs. I can't see how much fuel's in the tank, and there's no other gauges. It says ECT power overdrive off. I fixed that, but yeah. Anyway, let's see what happens next. Okay, since I've gotten lucky and it runs, I know it's idling a little high because it hadn't run in a long time and it's cold, but I'm going to see if it'll move under its own power. There's no brakes. I'm hoping that the parking brake holds. She moves! She runs, she moves, the parking brake kind of works. Regular brakes don't. Sweet.